Welcome to Herb Nerd TV, where we bring you the best natural remedies and health tips. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make golden milk, a delicious and healthy drink that's packed with anti-inflammatory benefits. What is golden milk? Golden milk is a traditional Ayurvedic drink made with turmeric and other herbs and spices. It's been used for centuries in India as a natural remedy for inflammation, joint pain, and many other health conditions. Golden milk is also great for boosting your immune system and promoting healthy digestion. Ingredients to make golden milk: you'll need 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You can also use coconut milk or any other non-dairy milk. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. 1/2 tsp of ground cinnamon. 1/4 tsp of ground ginger. 1 pinch of black pepper. This helps to increase the absorption of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, optional. How to make golden milk. Add the almond milk to a small saucepan and heat it on medium heat until it starts to simmer. Add the turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper to the saucepan and whisk everything together. Continue to heat the mixture for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. If you'd like, you can add some honey or maple syrup to sweeten the golden milk. Pour the golden milk into a cup and enjoy. As we mentioned earlier, golden milk is loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds thanks to its main ingredient, turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful antioxidant called curcumin, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes golden milk a great drink for people with conditions like arthritis, eczema, and other inflammatory disorders. Golden milk is also great for improving digestion and boosting your immune system. That's it for today's video on how to make golden milk. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching.